Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a 10 chart project. So let's start. So this tense chart project is ready to explain now. First let us understand what is tense. Tense is the grammar term used to indicate whether a sentence or verb is an action in the past, the present or the future. The basic tense in English are present, past and future. So first, simple forms. Simple forms is divided into three parts: simple past, simple present, simple future. What is simple past tense? The simple past tense shows that you are talking about something that already happened. For example, she ate apple. He won the gold medal. Then simple present. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is when you use a verb to tell about things that happened continually in the present. For example, she eats apple. I work in London. Then simple future tense. The simple future tense is used for an action that will occur in the future. For example, she will eat apple. John will bake a cake. Then move towards progressive forms. Progressive forms is again divided into three parts. First, past progressive. The past progressive describes an action that was in progress at the specific time in the past. For example, she was eating apple. I was preparing dinner. Then present progressive. The present progressive tense is used to describe an ongoing activity in the present. For example, she is eating apple. I am talking with my friends. Then future progressive. The future progressive tense is used to describe an ongoing activity in the future. For example, she will be eating apple. It will be raining the entire week. Then perfect forms. Perfect forms is divided into three parts. Past perfect. The past perfect tense is used to describe a completed activity in the past. For example, she had eaten apple. I had fallen asleep before 8 o'clock. Then present perfect. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action started in the past and continuing in the present. For example, she has eaten apple. We have traveled. Then future perfect tense. The future perfect tense refers to a completed action in the future. For example, she will have eaten apple. You will have finished your task by next week. Then move towards perfect progressive forms. This is again divided into three parts. Past perfect progressive tense. The past perfect progressive tense is used to express the action that started in the past and continued in the past for some time. For example, she had been eating apple for 1 hour. The child had been studying since morning. Then present perfect progressive tense. The present perfect progressive tense is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. For example, she has been eating apple for 1 hour. You have been waiting here for 2 hours. Then future perfect progressive tense. The future perfect progressive tense is used for an ongoing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. For example, she will have been eating apple for 1 hour. This plant will have been growing for 35 years. So this was our tense chart project. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.